The dream of one young university student has been sparked, but there are familiar complaints about lack of funding from one institution following the Wesley Powell track and field meet at Excelsior High School recently. Here's Jordan Fort.
Rashawn Richards is hoping that a meet record in his opening run at the Wesley Powell track and field meet at the Excelsior High School recently is a springboard for greater opportunities. Richards, who attended two high schools renowned for track and field in Calabar and St. Jago High, never got the opportunity to compete at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships. He now attends the Mico University College and clocked 35.71 seconds to win the 300 meters for clubs and institutions at the meet recently.
Well, yeah, I've been doing track and field from I was in grade 7, was at Calabar for about 7 years. Then I moved to St. Jago sixth form, and then I got a scholarship for the Mico. So I just doing this for my mom, my aunt, and myself. And first of all, I have to big up God, because I have to make it out of Jamaica.
But despite being a late bloomer, Richards still believes there is time to achieve his dream.
No, it's never too late. Once you have God, never too late. Yes, I'm up to the task. The plan is to, get us overseas scholarship.
Meanwhile, there was a familiar call for support from Mavis Bank High School coach Devon Grant. The school has developed a reputation for producing quality middle and long-distance athletes over the years.
We have no financial help coming from nowhere, right? Not even in home. We don't really have it because, we have a poor school, we have a small population, and we don't have places where we have making enough money that we can fund the program. At school, you really can't blame administration at school and the authority because they try, but the help is not forthcoming, Whatever they give, we'd have to just feel satisfied with it. But as I said before, thank the Lord for these people who really stand up with me for really try to get back the program on ground.
Over 1,000 athletes from 48 institutions turned out for the meet, and meet director David Riley says the event continues to represent an important portion of the local calendar.
This meet is unique in that it's track shoes only, because we understand the concept of the preparation phase of the athletes of performance. So at this stage we're still in sneakers, running on grass, which the research has shown is a key part of our own success as a country. So we're preserving that, doing our part, and making sure that we're providing that opportunity for coaches who still pursue that particular path for development.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.
Thank you.